zdaj pa Valerie, Amy Winehouse. Quite sometimes I go out by myself and I look across the water and I think of all the things what you're doing, and in my head I paint a picture. Since I've come home, well my body's been a mess, and I miss your ginger hair and the way you like the dress. Won't you come on over? Stop making a fool out of me. Why don't you come on over, Valerie? Woo! Valerie, Valerie, Valerie. Did you have to go to jail? Put your house on up for sale? Did you get a good lawyer? I hope you didn't catch a tan. Hope you find the right man who'll fix it for you. And are you shopping anywhere? Change the color of your hair. Are you still busy? And did you have to pay that fine? You were dodging all the time. Are you still busy? I did. 'Cause since I've come home, well my body's been a mess, and I miss your ginger hair and the way you like the dress. Won't you come on over? Stop making a fool out of me. Oh, why don't you come on over, Valerie? Quite sometimes I go out by myself and I look across the water and I think